Hello everybody. This is going to be a quick video. More stuff that we're selling for my mother-in-law. So if you're interested in old tractor parts, stick around. Alright, so through my research, I think that this is a International Harvester pulley belt, or belt pulley. I gotta look it up exactly, but as you can see, it rotates freely still. It bolts onto the PTO. There's the splines. The splines look all right. I haven't cleaned it up at all. There's the inside of it. As you can tell, it's been sitting in a barn for forever. So I'm gonna post this video, and then I'm gonna put the link of the video on Facebook for Tractor Parts, and I'm gonna try and sell it. So I will put the link for Facebook Tractor Parts for sale in the description of the video, and then yeah, that's it. And then I'll put the link to the video in the Facebook pages where I'm going to post it. So and I think if it is what I think it is, I think it's not cracked, and it's all there. Probably be cleaned up and be beautiful, or maybe not, but close to beautiful. But I think it is what it is, so we'll probably be asking 150 plus shipping. So if you're interested, let me know.